Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 70 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the options system. Then tap on reset options. And here we've got the networks divided between two different options, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use and tap on reset. And basically this is it. And the same with mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, tap on reset settings, and all network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.